Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just a YouTuber, and today I'm going over on how to enable push to talk on Discord. This is pretty simple. I had to make a quick, simple, and sweet tutorial because I gotta head out and do some things. So essentially what you need to do, obviously, is to launch your Discord, sign in and whatnot, and basically once you have signed in and you have a server going, or if you joined the server, this is the server I have, you want to go down to the bottom left here where it says user settings. You want to click on that, and then what you want to do is go to voice and video. So right here, input devices and output devices, this is what you're sending into the computer, or in this case Discord. So this is the signal sending out, which is your mic, and this is your output of what you're hearing. So this would be like your headset or speakers on your thing. To activate push to talk, obviously you see it right here, it says push to talk. This is input mode. So voice activity means that anytime the mic is picking up a signal or sound, it will automatically send out without having a button to push to be enabled to send that signal. So when you're enabling push to talk, obviously that means, in this case, we're going to have this as that. When you're enabling push to talk, essentially what you're doing is, okay, the mic's constantly receiving signal, but unless I hit this button, that's when it will send the signal through Discord, if that makes sense. Now you can add a delay, so if you want like a 5-second delay, you just adjust this time thing. I doubt really if anyone's going to use that, but if you want to use it, you can use it. This basically just sets a delay for when you push that button down. This has so many seconds before it actually activates the signal to send through. And that is basically how you do it. You just hit that push to talk. So just to show you that it works, we'll go into my lobby. So right now, let me grab my headset. So mic's on, and as you see, there is no signal going whatsoever. So when I hit the tilt button, it will actually start sending through signal. So that's basically how push to talk works. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments or join the Discord that I've made for you guys. You can find it here, and all you gotta do is insert a ticket through under the help center, ticket submission, do exclamation mark ticket, and that will submit a ticket for us to help you with. Yeah, you guys have any questions, like I said, don't hesitate, leave them down in the comments. If this video helped, obviously hit the like button. And I'll see you guys next tutorial Tuesday with a tutorial. And I'll see you guys Monday with some gameplay footage, hopefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around.